Welcome to our comprehensive video guide on managing product relocation using the Product Relocation module. This tool ensures seamless tracking of product movement between warehouses, enhancing your inventory management. Join us as we explore the installation, usage, and reporting features of this powerful module. Let's get started. After installing the module, head to the Products Catalog and find the dedicated Products Relocate tabs. Click the Create Products Relocation button to start the process. You will be directed to the warehouse selection page, enabling you to choose the origin warehouse from which products will be relocated. Specify the products for relocation by clicking the Add Product button. Using a user-friendly pop-up window, select the desired products and add them to the relocation list. Indicate the quantity of products for relocation. Select the destination warehouse and product location. This step ensures accurate and efficient product movement. Click the Create button to finalize the relocation process. Experience the convenience of the Products Relocation report, presented in a tabular format. The outgoing and incoming information blocks provide details on the product's origin and destination, including name, model, location, and quantity. If needed, print the Products Relocation report by clicking on the Picklist button. This feature enhances documentation and ensures a detailed record of the relocation process. Now you know how to use our Product Relocation module to manage your product relocations, streamline your inventory management, enhance tracking capabilities, and ensure the accuracy of your product movement records. Thank you for joining us on this guide, and stay tuned for more insightful tutorials.